I know it's been a while since I've seen everyone, but just because I haven't posted any videos doesn't mean the progress has not continued. So I've been over here the last couple weekends working on some things, cleaning some stuff out, using the reciprocating saw. So before we go inside, let me show you what I've done in the last couple weeks. So as you can see, I've gotten a little bit done over the last couple weeks. It rained last night, so we got a little bit of water in here. Might have to check that hole that I drilled, make sure it didn't fill up with mud and get clogged up. There's usually, even after rain, not this much water since I've drilled that hole. So I might have to look for that hole and see if I can, maybe see if I can get it unclogged, but still got some big pieces of pipe, conduit and stuff in here. So I was hoping to get a new end for the extension cord so I could replace the end on it and start cutting this stuff up with a reciprocating saw. But I really don't want to drag it through all this water down here. I'm gonna go down, put some diesel in the tractor, we'll get the bucket put on, come down here, start scooping up this mess, filling up this dumpster. I'll stop talking and we'll get to work. I'm super happy with the progress I made yesterday. I didn't really have a plan on what I wanted to get done, but I was able to fill up the whole dumpster in one day. So there was a lot of small stuff along the bottom that I could just use the bucket, scoop it all up, drive it around, out through the door. I had to come all the way up along the front of the building and dump it into the dumpster. So I was able to fill up probably a third of the dumpster with just the small stuff. Then I started getting into some bigger stuff, so I had to kind of hand pick through some things, and then just kept pulling stuff out by hand, toss it in the dumpster, get on the tractor. So I was off and on the tractor all day yesterday. So, which I think helped because I wasn't just pulling stuff out by hand the whole day. Kind of sit on the tractor, work on the tractor, get off, pull some stuff out. So I think that helped with me being able to get so much done. So dumpster's full, need to get that emptied so we can basically keep at it.